How are you all? I know that everyone is worried about the current situation of our country because of COVID-19. But you all don't panic, just stay at your home, be safe and follow the lockdown guidelines and rules provided by the government. Fine? Let's start a new session, that is Roman numerals. Starting this topic, first we will see that what Roman numerals exactly are. We all know that in ancient time, Romans were using letters for writing digits instead, because at that time, in the time of Romans, there is no digits. So in place of digits, they were using letters for writing the number.
We use 10 numerals or digits to write any number. These numerals are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These digits or symbols are known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. The Romans used 7 letters of the English alphabets as basic symbols. These symbols are I, V, X, L, D, M and C. So, these are English alphabets and the 7 letters of Romans for writing numbers. The symbols and their value in Hindu-Arabic system are as follows. Roman numerals, Hindu-Arabic numerals. I means 1 in Hindu-Arabic numbers. V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500 and M means 1000. These are Roman numerals or letter which have a value in Hindu-Arabic numerals. And one more thing, that there is no zero in the Roman numeral. We will see that there is no zero in the Roman numerals. Now we will see the rules for writing Roman numerals. Our first rule is repetition of a numeral. Repetition of a numeral. Repetition of a numeral means addition. But a numeral cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Means Roman numerals cannot be repeated for more than 3 times. Now I, X, C and M can be repeated. But V, L and D cannot be repeated. I, X, C, M can be repeated, but they can be repeated only for maximum 3 times, not more than 3 times. But V, L, D cannot be repeated even for twice. For example, I is equal to 1. Double I is equal to 2. How 2? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 3 times I means 3. How 3? 1 plus 1 plus 1. One more example. X is equal to 10. So double X is equal to 20. How? 10 plus 10. Triple X is equal to 30. How 30? 10 plus 10 plus 10. C is equal to 100. Double C is equal to 200. That is 100 plus 100. And triple C is equal to 300. That is 100 plus 100 plus 100. So here we can see that I, X, C and M can be repeated for 3 times, but not more than 3 times. Now, before moving towards the next rule, first we will see and just revise that what is the Roman value in Hindu Arabic numerals. So 1 means I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. So if we will compare I and V, so which is greater? V is greater than I because 5 is greater than 1. If I will compare this I with L, so I is smaller than L and L is greater than I, as because 1 is smaller than 50 but 50 is greater than 1. Now a second rule. So, a second rule states that a smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value means subtraction. For example, X. X means 10. I means 1. So, X is greater value and I is a smaller value than x. So if I will place x and if I will place y to the left of the x, then this is equal to 9. How 9? X is greater value than I, so I is on the left of the x. It means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. We have already seen in the rule that a smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value. Smaller numeral is written to the left of the greater value. This is equal to subtraction. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. X means 10. I means 1. So x 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. One more example. V. V means 5. I means 1. So V is greater value and I is smaller value. If I will place this smaller value to the left of the greater value, this means subtraction, and this will result into 4. And this will result into 4. How? That I is smaller value, V is greater value. V means 5, I means 1. This will give us a result 4. Now a third rule. A smaller numeral to the right of a numeral of greater value means addition. So a third rule, what it says, a smaller numeral to the right of a numeral of greater value means addition, just opposite of the second rule. For example, x means 10, I means 1. So x is greater value, I is a smaller value. So if a smaller value is on the right side of the greater value, this will result into 11. This will result into 11. One more example. V means 5. I means 1. If we put smaller value to the right of the greater value, this will result into 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So this is equal to 6. Some more example like V is equal to 5. I. We can repeat I 3 times but not more than 2 times. Here I have repeated I 2 times. So this will equal to V means 5 plus 1 is equal to 7. X means 10. I means 1. I have repeated I 3 times. This is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this is equal to 13. Now for writing numbers greater than 10, the numbers are first split in terms of tens and 1. For example, 17. We will split 17 into ones and tens. So 10 plus 7. Now how we will write 10 in numerals number? 10 means x, 7 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 10 VII 17. So one more example, 36. If we split 36 into ones and 10, it means 30 plus 6. 30 means x, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. 5 means v and plus I, that is 1. X VI. This is 36. Now we will write 1 to 10 in Roman numeral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1 means I, 2 means double I, 3 means triple I, 4 greater value is here, and to the left of the greater value, if we put smaller value, it means subtraction. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 means V, 6 means V plus I. If we put a smaller value to the left, to the right side of the greater value, it means addition. So V plus 1 or V plus I is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 7 means 5 plus 1 plus 1. 8, 9 and 10. Now we will see how we will write 10 to 20 in Roman numerals. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 11 means if we put a smaller value to the right side of the greater value, it means addition. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Double I, it means 1 plus 1 plus 10 is equal to 12. X plus triple I is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, double X, 20, 10 plus 10. So this is the way we write Roman numerals. So for today, this is all. Thank you, class.